I kind of want to almost have a video recording of myself to help me identify all these things that I'm doing and wasting time that I wouldn't need to be wasting time on, because I could create a Claude Cowork plugin or whatever it is that I would need to create to make my life a little easier. So I need to digest all of this. It was absolutely fantastic as always, and I'm just stunned at what I don't know each time I talk with you guys.
My mind has gone from complete overwhelmed and wow, where do I go with this, to then the next second is like my brain explodes. Oh my God, this is amazing. I just figured this out. And I keep alternating between both. You guys have a great talent for breaking this down into manageable parts and pieces for non-technical people.
It's blowing my mind, even being in technology for almost 30 years and seeing the introduction of the internet, having that change the world. This is a whole other aspect. And so thank you for how you break it down into bite-sized pieces and deliver it. I could come to a class every day, every night.
Like so many of you, I also took Shri and Swati's first course and found it amazing. I was pretty much what I considered a strong ChatGPT user. I was an early adopter and loved using it, but that initial training was so excellent. It helped me move beyond a novice level of understanding.
Incredibly powerful. It was a great introduction.
I think fundamentally just the mindset shift that you guys walked us through of understanding how to look at AI as a teammate and use it in a more efficient way for workflow and automation to help streamline. I think that kind of fundamentally was the most important thing.
I really appreciated your approach. One, just setting up the fundamentals. Sometimes you don't know what you don't know and what's possible. So it's a great introduction. Also, I love that you introduce it in a way like, no, you still have to do a lot of thinking and planning. It's introducing something that's exciting and new, not so much something to be feared. I appreciate the way you guys have introduced it. I'm leaving kind of like this is just the beginning of something.